Does it matter how high quality your label is if you can't even get it off the liner? Introducing CryoLabel Easy Peel. Our trademark cryogenic labels now optimized for use with gloves. Some cryogenic labels have a flimsy design, which can make it difficult to cleanly remove and adhere them to already frozen test tubes and microplates. Easy Peel's sturdier face stock allows for easier removal from the liner, thus more efficient labeling in your lab. After your label is applied, the specially engineered CryoLabel design ensures that each label and the print on it is there to stay. Looking to try out Easy Peel in your laboratory? Contact the label experts for samples.